Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're kind of doing a viewer's request. I wanted to see what groupings I get out of my rifle with Lapua Center X. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. We'll do it at 50 yards and 100 yards. We do have a little bit of wind, so today we're just going for groupings and see how she does. All right, let's get going. All right guys, set up for 50 yards, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. A little bit of wind that seems to be constant, about maybe two miles an hour from my right side to left, but we'll shoot for groups again. All right, let's go for it, guys. Little hang fire here. I'm gonna hang on for a second. Okay. Yeah. Hit the primer, but didn't go off. So, here we go. Okay, I'm going to take that one round that didn't go off, just kind of roll it around. I know people will say that the rifling's marked up the lead bullet, but we'll see what she does. If she becomes a flyer, we won't count her, but right now, the grouping's pretty darn tight. Really liking it. So, yeah, didn't change a bit. So, as you can see on the inset video, that the grouping's consistent, fed, great. I did have one that didn't go off. It happens with rimfire, but the grouping is awesome. My zero's maybe just a touch off, but pretty awesome, and that's why you pay the big bucks for Lapua Center X. So anyways, let's go ahead and move the target to 100 yards and see what she does. Okay. All right folks, so now I have the target set at 100 yards. For my particular rifle, it's usually doped out about 1.9. As you saw in the 50-yard video, we're a touch high, so we'll go 1.8 on this one. And again, we're just shooting for groupings, guys. Let's see how she does. The wind picked up a little bit, so it may push the rounds a bit, but again, we're going for groupings, guys. So let's do this. All right, here we go. All right, guys, as you can see, the cluster there is pretty small, pretty tight little group at 100 yards. I did have a little flyer on the bottom. I think that was just purely me not supporting the rear of the rifle properly, and so I got that little flyer. But you can see the other 9 shots grouped together pretty darn well. So I'll take a screenshot of the grouping next to a quarter next to a quarter, sorry. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. To the viewer who requested this, thanks for asking, buddy. But here it is. Hope you like it. See you guys next time.